Welcome to another episode of Wannapreneur. My name's Tom, and in today's episode, we're going to be talking about Google local service ads, which is different from regular Google ads and why you should be using them. If you have a local service business like a plumber, electrician, and for this particular case study, I've been using a cleaning business, should definitely be using this platform to advertise. With this form of advertisement, you'll speed boost your customer leads and clientele almost immediately. I noticed after the first day of setting it up, I was getting 2 to 3 leads a day with a relatively small budget. To set up an account, simply go to Google Local Service Ads and fill out the necessary criteria. Select your business category, the services that you offer, the locations that you service, and the hours of operation. You will also have to submit a background check and submit insurance of liability and any other necessary licenses for your business category. So what are the advantages of using Google Local Service Ads rather than the regular Google ads? The simplicity. You get a friendly user dashboard that displays customer leads, information, your account profile, and your target advertisement areas. Number 2, these ads convert really well. These ads are displayed in a rich snippet form and at the very top of the Google search page, making it much more eye-catching than regular Google ads, therefore much more likely to convert to a lead. If you're unfamiliar what rich snippets are, check out the video link below and I go over that topic there. Number 3, pay per lead rather than pay per click. You don't get charged anything if the customer clicks on your ad. You only get charged if the customer calls or messages you. Unlike regular Google ads, if a customer sees your ad and clicks on it and doesn't call you, you're still going to have to pay for that. Number 4, you're included in voice search. Plumbers nearby.
Here are a few nearby ones. 1. Clearwater, Michigan on Stark Road. You can ask me for things like, what's the phone number for the first one?
Number 5, if you decide if you no longer want to use the Google local service ads, you can discontinue them, but your business will still show up underneath that ad. You just won't get the Google guarantee icon on your advertisement. And finally, number 6, the Google guarantee. The Google guarantee, in my opinion, is the biggest selling point. Basically, if the customer does not like what you did with the service that you offered, Google will refund their money back in the amount that was invoiced to them. This is a huge selling point which gives your customers peace of mind when choosing you. However, using the regular Google ads definitely gives you more customization in terms of what keywords that will come up on the search for you and what target areas you're focusing on. Also, the business categories are limited using Google local service ads. So what should you know before starting these ads? Well, Google's tracking everything, so they know when you pick up a call, the time in between it takes you to call a customer back, how quickly you respond to messages on your dashboard. So it's best to be proactive when starting Google local service ads. Make sure you're by the phone and answering messages. Google also takes into account the hours of operation of your business, completed bookings, and most importantly, your reviews. The more and better the reviews you have, the better relationship you're gonna have with Google. Again, make sure you're answering your phone and make sure you're getting those reviews from the customers that you serviced. You can do that by getting their email and then sending them a link in your Google dashboard. Comment below, let me know how your Google local service ads go. I know you're not going to be disappointed with this platform, and let me know what kind of advertisement that's working for you, whether it's been Thumbtack, Craigslist, Facebook ads. I'd like to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.